Hello everyone. Today let's make dry fruit kulfi. Do give this recipe a try and share the pictures with me on Instagram. Now let's start the recipe by adding 1.5 liter full cream milk to a heavy bottom pot. Then add 3/4 cup fresh cream and give them a mix and bring them to a boil on medium flame. Stir occasionally to prevent the milk solids from burning. Now the milk has come to a boil. Now add 1/4 teaspoon saffron and give them a mix. Then add 400 grams condensed milk. Mix until well combined and continue to boil them for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. Now add half teaspoon cardamom powder, mix and continue to boil for another 10 minutes. Then add chopped almonds, chopped cashews, and give them a mix. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon maida, 2 tablespoons milk, and make a smooth paste. Add the maida and milk mixture and continue to mix and bring that to a boil. Now turn off the flame and let it cool completely. The mixture thickens further upon cooling. Pour this to the kulfi molds and freeze it overnight. Now immerse them in a glass of water for 30 seconds and gently hold the stick and demold the kulfi. Now sprinkle some chopped nuts and the kulfi is ready to serve. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.